two major contenders in the insurance world, each promising peace of mind, but only one can reign supreme. Which one really delivers? On one side, Farmers Insurance, a trusted household name. On the other, Esurance, the digital-savvy challenger. Let's skip the fancy slogans and get down to what really matters. We'll break it down by category, and at the end, you'll see exactly which one comes out on top. The winner might surprise you. Alright, before we get into it, let's throw up a mind map of what we're actually going to compare. Price, digital experience, service and support, policy options, availability, and of course, claim process. That way you know exactly what's coming up, no surprises. Let's kick things off with price. Farmers Insurance, well, they do offer discounts if you're bundling your policies or if you're a safe driver, and having a local agent can sometimes help you find the best deal for your situation. But honestly, they do tend to be a little pricier than some of their online-only competitors. Now, on to Esurance. This is where they really shine, guys. Their rates are super competitive, you get online discounts, and the whole quote process is just so easy. But real talk, if you're considered a high-risk driver, sometimes Esurance isn't actually the cheapest. Still, overall, Esurance definitely takes the win when it comes to price. Now, let's talk digital experience. Farmers has a solid app and you can track your claims online, which is pretty cool. But compared to the big online players, sometimes things can feel a touch slower, like some features still have to go through your agent. Now, Esurance, oh man, if you want digital, you're gonna love this. Their website and app are honestly some of the best out there. Fast policy management, paperless everything, you get the idea. The one downside though, no local agents to help in person. Still, Esurance is like the clear winner here for digital stuff. Alright, service and support. This is where Farmers shows off a bit. They've got really solid customer service, tons of local agents, and you can actually talk to a real person, face to face if you want. Only caveat: it kinda depends on how good your local agent is. For Esurance, support is mostly online. They do have good chat and a 24/7 claims line, which is super convenient, but yeah, you won't get any in-person help. All things considered, Farmers absolutely takes the crown here when it comes to service and support. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Esurance was actually one of the first companies to sell auto insurance completely online, launching way back in 1999. Seriously ahead of the curve. Next up, policy options. Farmers is sort of the classic with wide-ranging offerings. They've got auto, home, renters, even business, and lots of add-ons. Plus, you can customize the heck out of your policy. The flip side: sometimes they can be a little slow to roll out the latest features. Esurance, on the other hand, focuses more on the basics, auto, home, and it's really easy to customize everything right from your phone or your laptop. But if you're looking for something more specialty or want those juicy bundled discounts, you might find them a bit limited. For variety and flexibility, Farmers easily takes this one. Let's chat about availability. Farmers is like everywhere, literally all 50 states. Tons of agents, you're never far from one, although small caveat, specific coverages might vary depending on your state. Esurance, on the other hand, isn't available everywhere. They've actually pulled out of a few states recently, so you'll want to check if they're even an option where you live. Pretty clear winner here, Farmers snags it. Alright, claim process. With Farmers, you get your local agent guiding you through, and there's 24/7 claim support, which is awesome. Only thing is, it can take a little longer sometimes since you're going through that agent system. Esurance, think super slick, file online, upload photos, track the status right from your phone. But it's strictly digital, so if you need a little escalation or want to talk someone through it, your options are kinda limited. Honestly, both do really well here for their style, so I'm calling it a tie. Let's put all this on a radar chart so you can see how these two stack up in each category at a glance. You'll really be able to tell where each one edges out the other. So here's how I'd sum it up. If you want robust coverage, lots of personal support, and that traditional peace of mind, go with Farmers. But if you're all about speed, savings, and you live your life online anyway, Esurance is a total win. If this breakdown helped clear things up, let us know, and hey, follow for more insurance comparisons just like this. I'll catch you in the next one.